course is aimed primarily at practicing electricians with relevant experience and other allied professionals who need an up-to-date understanding of the IET wiring regulations. It may also be suitable for anyone who requires an understanding of BS 7671 2008-2011. The intention of this course is to ensure that individuals are conversant with the format, content and the application of the requirements for electrical installations BS 7671 2008-2011, otherwise known as Amendment 1 of the 17th edition. You will need to refer to the regulation book throughout this course and also during the mock assessment, so please ensure you have it with you before you proceed. At the end of this course is an assessment which you must pass to complete your e-learning. It is designed to mimic a real-world examination in a number of ways and serves as a mock examination should you be taking this course as preparation to sit the City and Guilds 238212 exam or the EAL 600/3719/2. Features that help to simulate exam conditions include 60 multiple choice questions, coverage of all 7 parts and 16 appendices of BS 7671 2008-2011, the ability to flag and review questions at will, and a 2-hour time limit, including notification when only 5 minutes remain. So what is the purpose of BS 7671? BS 7671, commonly referred to as the wiring regulations, sets the definitive standards for the electrical industry with regard to the safe design, installation and operation of electrical equipment and systems. This is achieved by setting the requirements and operating criteria for the United Kingdom, whilst corresponding to the European Senelec harmonised standards. So why do we have to update the wiring regulations? To begin with, electricity was mainly used for street lighting as a replacement for gas. Only later did it gain widespread use in households. At first, homes used their own generators, so wiring systems throughout the UK were of varying types. This meant that there were also numerous types of corresponding accessories and components. These issues were later addressed with the introduction of the national grid by 1938, which implemented a single specified type of system. Over time, the use of electrical equipment and appliances, in both households and the workplace, has grown enormously, creating an ever-increasing demand. With the progressive advancement of technology, newer safety devices and equipment for utilising the benefits of electricity are constantly in development. This naturally results in an adjustment to the wiring regulations to accommodate any changes of practice needed to better suit this equipment. So why is harmonisation necessary? Due to the Treaty of Rome, the UK is obliged to incorporate the technical intent of the harmonised documents developed by Senelec, who are responsible for the European standardisation in the area of electrical engineering. BS 7671 is largely based on the content of the Senelec HD 60364 standards, which are available as a series. The Joint IET and BSI Committee, JPEL 64, is responsible for the development of BS 7671. JPEL 64 can be reviewed along with the preface of BS 7671 just before Part 1. There you will see a list of all contributors to the standard, along with the organisations they represent. The IEC are an international standards organisation that prepares and publishes international standards for electrotechnology. Senelec prepares voluntary standards which help facilitate trade between countries. This helps to create new markets, cut compliance costs and support the development of a single European market. The BS 7671 preface lists the Senelec harmonisation documents from which the technical intent has been included. It's here where you will first recognise evidence of harmonisation with reference numbers. Construction sites, for example, are covered by HD 60364-7-704. In BS 7671, they're covered in Section 704.